Where's connections? What's connection, Daddy? Guys, nandito rin kami sa ano, guys. Nandito kami sa ano. Kami sa, So, dito. And church. Welcome to this.
It's too hot today.
It's cold. Cold?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ha? Maliit pa yung sahod ko eh. Oo. Opo. Pero mababa pa. Sa Hong Kong dollar, mahal. Sa peso, almost 10,000. Ano lang ako, vlog lang. Everyday. Pag monetize ka na kahit sa isang linggo, kahit mga 3 beses. Ganun. Pero magla-live ka. Kailangan mo mag-live. Iwasan mo lang na wag ka mag-copyright. Hi guys! So, welcome back to my channel once again, guys. So, andito naman guys sa inyong mamita, inyong lola na nagbo-vlog. Ayan guys. So, andito na kami guys sa downtown ng Puerto Princesa. Kasi alam nyo ba guys kung anong mangyayari. So, this is our last moment with my hubby. Because my hubby is, he going back to US this coming Friday guys. So, nag-early booking kami ng check-in hotel kasi nga medyo away from my downtown yung bahay ko guys. So, medyo malayo. So, alam kong mahihirapan siya kasi it's too early yung flight niya guys. It's around like 7 a.m. the morning. So, he must be there at 4 a.m. in the morning early. So, we woke up at 3 a.m. in the morning or 3:30 something like that to prepare, get ready and send him to the international airport in Puerto Princesa here in downtown. So, nandito kami guys sa, nandito kami. Nandito kami sa proper guys, close sa Robinson Mall. Ayan, dito kami sa U Hotel, dito sa Bayan. Ayan guys. So, nandito kami. So, papakita ko guys, ang aming nakuhang room is deluxe room guys. Ayan, deluxe na naman. So, we're stay here for 2 days. Ayan, 2 days and 2 nights. Ayan, so we're stay before I'm, bago ko siya isa-send sa airport, guys. So, I show you is what I get, where I get the hotel. Ayan, so anong hotel na namin napili? I choose this hotel. You like this hotel because have the, ayan, amenities and everything is very, very, looks is very comfortable and very nice and clean, and the air is so nice and so clean. It's organized. Everything is organized. The furnishing, the furnitures, everything you need is still here. So I show you guys one by one. Okay guys, let's go. So hi guys, once again. So I'm here guys in U Hotel guys, in room 209. Ayan guys. So first in the main door, so this is the lock. It is nice lock, and they have the insert card for power. They're using a card for you get a power inside the room, and they have the, if you want to not bother you want you sleeping while you're sleeping, and then they have the, if you want to clean the this room, so you just touch the button, so somebody come here to clean up. So the first thing I want to show you our private bathroom toilet. Ayan, so this is their toilets. Yeah, so they have a clean like And this is, yeah, and yeah, they have a flashing here. And then, meron silang bench, so pwede kang din namang umupo po. Ayan. So, the light is not so lighting, but it's so clearly. Yan. So, meron silang mga ano. And so clean. Everything is clean. The bin, the trash bin. And then, ayan, naka-glass. And ito yan guys, yung aming magdalang gamit. So, this is my things. Ito yung aking gamit for 2 days. So, ito guys, yung gamit ni husband. My husband luggage for check-in. So, I don't know how much the kilo this luggage for check-in. That is hand carry. So, this is your hand carry, honey, right? This is your hand carry, right? Alright. So, we're just goes here. So, meron silang mga socket, free sockets here so you can charge everywhere. So, they have free socket here. And they have amenities here like a free toothbrush. The dental kit here have 2. So, and then they have the cotton buds and cotton, and then they have the hair cup, shower cup, and the cotton, what is this? Yeah, that one. So, they have shower cap and shower dental kit, and they have the cotton buds and vanity kit. Ayan, meron sila guys. So, this is very clean and complete amenities here inside our room. And this is the wash bin. Ayan, washing hands and washing your face. Something here is you can wash anything. Ayan, and this is their hand wash. Aromatic hand wash, Moi and Co. And guys, so later I wanna smell it. Is what I smell. So they have a glass for if you wanna brush your teeth. So you can use 2 glass here. Ayan, and we have mirror here. So ayan guys, and we goes here, and this is the shower room. Oh. Yeah, this is the shower room guys for deluxe. Ayan. So, ayan ang ganyan ang shower. So, nakahang. Iba yung sa amin. Nakasealing yung kanilang shower. Sa akin, naka-walling. Ayan, and then glass guys. Yung kanilang mga, is glass. Ang door din guys is, yung door nila guys is locked. So, they put some towels here for a hand towel. It's wet. Kasi naligo kasi husband. So, ayan na. So, mayroon silang shower, softening conditioner, and the shampoo. Ayan. I think it's hot and cold water here. I think, yeah. Normally, in a hotel like this is have a complete and inside the room. And under here, guys, in the sink, you have some towels here. White towel. I like the white towels. It's nice. And they have free blower here if you want to dry your hair after your shower. You take a bath, so you can use the blower. From in other corners here, they have the hanger here for you can use for your hang. You want to hang your clothes and you put your things there upstairs, close it, and they have here hanging, and they have a drawer here, 2 drawers here. Ayan guys, oh, it's all clean. Everything is clean. And this one here guys is another wall mirror again. So I like that. Ayan, and dito naman tayo guys sa kabilang corner. Dito sa table. Ayan. So this is for coffee if you want to drink some coffee here. So this is free. You can use this one. And this is for drinking water. This is free water. Ayan. So you can drink purified water. And they have, what is this? This is the tea, Leptune Yellow Level tea. And this is I think the sugar. Yeah, this is sugar. Yeah, this is sugar, I think. And this is the heater pad if you want to boil some water here. So you just use that for free. So this including in the room. Ayan, and they have some TV here. And they have the lights there and hung on the in the corner. And the wall, they hang on the wall. Yeah, from this corner, guys. So this is our room, our bed. Ayan, this is the Lux bed, guys. So they have two beds. Ayan. So it's too much for me and for my husband because it's two beds. So maybe he can sleep another bed and I'll sleep in another bed. So it's nice. It's very organized. And the bed is so soft. The smell is very good. And I like this organized bed. I like this white. Well, yeah. O, diba? And the pillow. Hello. The pillow is so nice. I like it. Oh. The pillow is so nice like that. Yeah. And they have the side lampshade. Oh, very cute. See? Yeah. My lampshade is in the wall. But this is in the and hanging like this. And they have here the phone if you want something. And the informations on the restaurants. You can call in the restaurants for delivery your food if you wanna eat here inside the room only. So you can call, order by phone. Ayan. They have a housekeeping call, front office, operator, courage, restaurant, and emergency call. And guys, the phone, and here they have. I cannot open it. It's so. Oh my God, what's this? This is the bind. And yung kabila din, guys, the other side of this bed is the same. And here, ayan, it's the same. But I think it's one only phone that's over here. There is a tissue there in the corner over there. Yeah. So, ayan. So, yung cortina, guys. The curtain behind this window, guys, is mall. Robinson Mall. Ayan. So, my husband is very busy for... because he said he feel hot. Yan. Ayan. No more mosquito. So, I'm here na, guys, in the hotel. Yan. Ayan na, guys. Everything is here. Ayan. My husband booking this hotel. This is the Deluxe hotel, guys. It's so very comfortable and very relaxing. Ayan. It's so big. You can see, guys. Woo!
Huge.
Huh?
Huge.
Shoes.
Shoes.
Your shoes?
Oh, it's huge means big.